Hello, fellow video editor. Welcome to the video, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to place text behind an object, or in this case, behind some people. We're going to be in the Edit tab and the Color tab today. No Fusion. I know that scares a lot of you. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on our Edit tab. I have some footage up here. We're going to drag that down, place it on our timeline, and we're going to make a copy of that. To do that, left click on it, hold down your Alt key, and drag up. That makes a copy. We're going to pull this one out of the way, and this is the one we're going to work on. So now we are done with the edit page. We're going to go over here and click on our Color tab. Now what you want to do here is click on this eyedropper. It's going to open up this page here. You also want to make sure that you click on this first picker. Make sure that's clicked on. And then you want to come over here to the right. This is what it's going to use to sample our sky. We're going to click and draw on this. This one is hue, saturation, luminance, red, green, and blue, luminance, and 3D. And that's what we're going to use. It seems to do the best job. So click on that 3D icon. Then all you're going to simply do is come up here and draw on this sky until you get rid of all that color. We just don't want that. Draw on there until it's gone, like so. Then we're going to come up here to our highlight button. Click on that. And you can see that this area is maxed out, but we want that reversed. So we come down here to our invert button and we click that. Now I can see already, you can see there's an edge here along this guy. So if we zoom in on that, we can see that there's still a line along here. We're going to try to get rid of that, this pre-filter. Just drag that to the right until that line disappears. We've gotten rid of most of it. You can use the clean black as well. Draw that in. And that looks pretty good. We've gotten rid of that line around him there. So then what we're going to do is we're going to right click over in this area here. And we're going to choose Add Alpha Output. We're going to simply connect this to our outlet that we just created. And then we're going to jump back into the Edit window. So click the Edit tab. Drag this video up to video 3. We can get rid of this audio. We'll unlink it. And just simply get rid of that. Whoops. Get rid of that audio track. So what we want to do is drag that to 3, take this one, put it on the first track. So now that put our sky back in there. You can see we have our sky. Now we have a space here. Open up your effects window, click on titles, grab the text and drop it in between the two videos. We'll stretch this out for the rest of the timeline. And you can see already we have our text behind this guy here. So we're going to highlight that text. We can change the text to In Love. We got 2 lovebirds here. We can change our font. We'll find something a little bolder for this example. I guess that looks good. We will zoom in on it a little bit, make it bigger. Take our y-axis and bring it up a little. Our x-axis and move it a little to the left, kind of place it in the middle here. Maybe we'll space the letters out a little. It looks pretty good. And then we can play that back. And that's what we have. We have the text behind the people. It's still kind of rendering out here, so it didn't really play back in real time, but the more it renders out, the faster we'll move along here. So you can see the text is behind the people. And that's how you do that. It's pretty simple, really. And that's all I've got for you today. Take care. We'll see you next time.